In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the word count in Google Docs. So if you're interested in knowing this, then keep on watching. Checking the word count in Google Docs is just a one step or one click action. Once you have your document open, you just need to go to the tools, and from this drop down menu, you will get the second option, word count, and you can select that by pressing the shortcut key of Control Shift and C. Once you will click that, it will open up a word count pop-up page or a menu in which it will give you the number of pages of the document, how many words are there in your document, how many characters are in your document, and it will also give you the characters excluding the spaces. And if you want to see the word count while you are typing the text, you can just click this one and press OK, and on the bottom left side you will see these word count in real time. For example, if I at the end of the document, if I write anything, you will see that it has increased the number of words from 691 to 692, and now it has changed into 693. Last thing about this word count is that from this arrow you can select the number of pages. If you want to see how many pages you have typed, you can also select the characters and characters excluding the spaces. So that's how you can see the word count in Google Docs. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.